So I've been in this business for about 20 years, and I have to tell you, this is one of the most exciting discoveries. My lab really works on looking at mechanisms governing excitability of neurons and how that, when it goes awry, can cause things like pain. And at the very heart of what we do is to understand at a molecular and mechanistic level proteins and pathways that can account for changes in excitability properties that cause pain.
I was working on a family of proteins called the collapsing response mediator proteins during my PhD. That was in cancer. And I wanted to keep working on these proteins. I'm really looking for mechanisms, and the biological model, the behavior, it's cool because that's the outcome. But the most interesting thing for me is the mechanism. So I came here, I was like, well, pain, that's really simple. That's gonna be easy compared to cancer. Hell no. It's a very, very complicated disease, has many different centers that are important throughout the body.
You know, life is full of serendipitous connections and findings.
As part of our daily routine, we found a preprint that showed that SARS-CoV-2 may be using a receptor called neuropilin-1 to get into cells.
Neuropilin-1 has been on our radar for over a year and a half, because it's a protein that's involved upstream of a family of proteins that my lab has been studying for the past 12 years. And so this was one of those serendipitous eureka moments where things converge, and all of a sudden we had insights, perhaps before others, that this pathway orchestrated by neuropilin-1 could be involved in regulating something we had been studying for a long time. Our work identified neuropilin as a new player in chronic pain. So engaging that pathway and then blocking that pathway with a small molecule, we were able to show the importance of neuropilin-1 in pain signaling. The Department of Pharmacology at the University of Arizona is a stronghold for pain research. It has been for decades. And it's really amazing that in the last year or so, we've been able to have a chronic pain and addiction center, CPAC. This is going to be very important going forward because of the importance of opioid research and the importance of all the issues surrounding opioid abuse and liability, to really bring together networks of important players in research, in clinical sciences, in management, in healthcare. And so I think CPAC is really going to galvanize that and put that all together.